Hey, hello guys. So again, I'm here with you. So today I will continue the secret tips and techniques for WhatsApp. Last time I told you some of the tips about WhatsApp. Today we will learn some new tips. So let's start. Okay, guys. So sometimes you suppose your language is Hindi or your language is Urdu or your language is English. So you want to change your language in WhatsApp. So what will you do? You will click on these three dots and then you will click on setting. Then you will click on chats and here you will find app language. So once you click on app language, you will find all the languages here and you can change your language. You can select your language. So you can chat in your language. You can add also the other languages. You can remove the other languages. Like I removed some of the languages and I added some of the languages. Okay, the second thing, if you want to write in bold italic form in WhatsApp, and something you want to highlight or you want to make bold or italic, so what will you do? If you have to write something, so first you will write star, and then if you write anything, suppose hi, so you can see this is bold. It will be bold like this. If you write underscore and you write something, so it will be italic. Or if you don't want anything, so you can write something, suppose hi, you can select this one, so you will see up there is bold, italic, copy, cut, and also mono. So you can do from here if you don't want to write static or it takes time. Okay, so this is the second thing. The third thing, from when the WhatsApp allow us to call, so everyone is calling and we talk too much, we make a big call, but you don't know, once you call, so it takes your data, WhatsApp, and your storage also. So there is a solution for this. You can reduce your data. So what will you do? You will click on setting, storage, data and storage, and in the last you will see low data usage. So you enable this, so your data will be consumed but very low, not like means if you talk too much, if you call too much, so it will save your data. Okay, after this there is one interesting thing. If you want to save chat for someone, means if you are chatting with someone and you want to save that chat for the future, or you want to see again there is some calculations or your client, so how can you save it? You will again click on these three dots and you will click on setting. You will click on setting, click on chat, and there is the chat history. Once you click on chat history, so you can export your data. See, once I click export my data, so it will ask which data I want to export, like Ubaid, or which data I want to export. Any of the data I want to save, so I will click on the particular person. Then I want to save that data by email or in the WhatsApp or through Outlook or the Bluetooth. So you can send by email or whatever social media you want. So by email you will send, and the whole chat from the beginning to end, it will be saved in your mobile. So this is very interesting and this is very useful thing in WhatsApp. Okay, one more thing, for the privacy. For the privacy, you can I will suggest you set your privacy. because if you lost your SIM, or you lost your mobile, or anything happened, so no one can use your SIM or your chat, or nobody can use your WhatsApp. So what will you do? You will click on setting again, and then account. Once you click on account, there is two-step verification. You click on two-step verification, and then you will click enable. Once you click enable, there will be the code they will send you on your mobile, and then you will see this code, like I make enable, so I can see they send me the message, and I will put that code there, and means next time if somebody is trying to use my chat or anything, so first they will send me the message, and the message will come on my SIM. So this is very important thing also, two-step verification. I'll suggest you, and this is you once if you are using WhatsApp, so you must do this. So the last thing I will tell you about the tagging. You can use tag if you want to, if you have a group on WhatsApp and you want to tag someone, a special person, so you can use @sign, and once you will click on @sign, all your WhatsApp contact, all your group members, they will show, and you can click on it which member you want to message. See, now whatever message I will write, so it will be highlighted to that person. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please press like button, and subscribe. If you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.